Hi, hello, this is Panir. We are watching Gpat tips and tricks. In this video, we are going to cover do's and don'ts. What are the tips to crack Gpat? First, we'll see about do's. You have to start preparation at least 4 months in advance. Why? Because out of that 120 days, around 30 days, it will go to set your mind for the Gpat preparation. The rest of the 90 days is the effective days. In those days, you are going to effectively prepare the keys for Gpat. That is why you have to start at least 4 months in advance for Gpat. Next is self evaluation. This is very important. You have to evaluate yourself. You have to find out what is your strength and area, which subject you are strong. If you know that, it's very easy to start from difficult subject to easy subject or easy subject to difficult subject. It's up to your mindset, but you must know that in which subject or which stream you are very strength. Then each and every preparation, once after completion of that, you have to create a chart, keynotes for easy remembrance. And every day after completion of your preparation, give some times to solve questions like calculation part. More and more practice of that calculation part gives you more confidence while attending the GPAT exam. And main idea is to visualize whenever you are coming out or preparing answer for the particular question. You try to visualize the answer and try to keep hold in your mind. That will helps a lot while writing your exam to easy recall. And create your own mnemonics or shortcuts. If you are preparing any chart or mechanism or any synthetic part, you can create your own mnemonics with the shortcuts. That shortcut, it's going to be very useful at the time of exam to recollect the answer. And final, this is very very important. You have to be very confident. You have to be very confident. Even that confident, no, it takes you other level. If you have started preparing once, you are gaining knowledge daily basis. It gives you more confident. That confident you have to keep. It takes you into other level. Definitely, you will crack GPAT score, no doubt. Don'ts. Now we'll see don'ts. Only four things. Avoid friends and mobile. Don't skip your food. You have to eat on time. If you are getting sleep, you have to go to sleep. Don't skip even sleep. Sleep on time. Do regular exercise. Don't miss even that. Only these four you have to maintain. Mainly avoid friends and mobile. If you are using mobile, fine. That mobile usage only related to the preparation of GPAT, nothing else. If you have any friends, you need those who are preparing GPAT, those who are really going to help you to good preparation. You take those friends. Rest you avoid only for 4 months. This 4 months makes so many good things, so that you keep it in your mind. Here I gave some tips to how to prepare a chart. Here I took adrenergic receptors alpha and beta. In one chart itself, I gave entire history about this alpha and beta receptor. How many types are there, where it is located, where it can produce its mechanism. Such a way you have to prepare your chart. In one chart, you have to give maximum inputs about that particular question's answer. Once, if you see the chart, you have to recollect maximum of answers in such a way you have to create chart. Next is for drugs classification, if possible, you combine both chemical aspect and pharmacological aspect in one chart. This is adrenergic drug. For chemical structure, I categorize the catecholamines and non-catecholamines under the drugs. Like that pharmacological action, the same drugs here also and there also. Only thing you have to recollect which drug comes under which category and which drug comes under which action. So everything in one chart you can easily recollect, easily pick and easily remember. This is this is the way how to prepare chart for drugs and its classification. Now we'll come to synthesis. When come to synthesis, you must know that what are all the starting material and what is the end material. In between that, how many steps are there? Each steps are having any naming reaction or what kind of reaction it is, whether it is a condensation, whether it is substitution, or it is a naming reaction. If any reaction comes under naming reaction, then you have to note and you have to give more importance on that particular, and you have to highlight it with colors or something. So in this way you can prepare synthesis. Mainly you have to focus on starting material, and if any naming reaction, each and every step what are all the reactions are going on, that you have to keep it. This is one example for how to use mnemonics. Here I gave classification of sedative and cryptoctics. So here there are two words. One is BPA, other one is CAA. BBA, you know it, Bachelor of Business Administration. CAA, you know that Chartered Accountant Admission. With this BBA, CAA, how we are going to use or how we are going to create the mnemonics. BBA, B means barbiturate, B means benzodiazepine, A means acyclic hypnotics containing nitrogen. CAA, C means cyclic hypnotics containing nitrogen. Accountant means alcohol and aldehydes. Admission means acetylene derivatives. In this way, you can create your own mnemonics, and you must know that after creation of mnemonics, each letter represent what drug or what classification. So such a way you can create your own mnemonics. You can use your friend's name, you can use any movie name, you can use your family member's name, whatever it may. You can create anything, but the thing each word represent what, that you have to keep in your mind. In such a way you can create your own mnemonics as a shortcut. With that you can prepare charts for mechanism, charts for chemical classification, chart for synthesis, anything you can create. It's your hand. It's about uh, how you are going to remember, that's all. This will helps a lot while writing the exam to recollect answers. So these are all the tips for Gpat. If you follow these tips, and if you are in the position to create your own shortcuts, it's more than sufficient to crack Gpat and get good score. All the best for your successful Gpat exam. I hope this video is very useful. You will come out with some knowledge. That is the case. Can like this video, share the video, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.